Hey, my name is Andre Pittman. I'm in Kinesiology 205, Section 1, and I will show you how to share files from Google Drive. Okay, so let's say we want to click this file where we want to send. We'll just right-click it here, hit the share button. We'll type the people and groups that we want to share it with, and then down here is where we can change the access towards it. So we can hit change. Anyone with this link, they can either view it, we can have them to comment on it, or if we want them to be able to edit it. Done, copy the link, and then you share. So let's run more time. Let's say we want to share this. I type this person's name, change this to view only. That's done now. Here, share, type the name, done, and they'll have it. So that's all.